Hi, my name is Jill Soto, the Director of Client Services with New World. Welcome to Insight. This video demonstration is part of a collection created to show various features of the New World Insight data system. Insight is the data system used by over 20 state and regional clients to facilitate a wide range of early childhood professional development and quality improvement initiatives. Insight includes a full-featured professional development registry, an integrated learning management module, a quality rating and improvement module, and other modules supporting grants, scholarships, stipends, and more. Additionally, New World is currently building an Insight consumer education system to support child care resource and referral activities. This new addition to the Insight family of solutions will be released in early 2021. In this video, I will be demonstrating the integration between our self-assessment and professional development plans, which are featured in our Insight registry module. You'll see here we're on the individual profile landing page in our Insight demo site. For this particular implementation, the self-assessment is labeled as ITNA, which stands for Individual Training Needs Assessment. On this particular page, we have a whole host of training assessments that providers can choose from. We have a family child care mixed group setting, we have infant toddler self-assessments, we have preschool self-assessments, and we have the early childhood intentional teaching self-assessment. The self-assessment that I'm going to take now is the early childhood intentional teaching self-assessment. You can see that it provides here the last date the assessment was taken, but I'm going to go ahead and retake this particular self-assessment. Our self-assessment is a series of questions that can be anywhere from 5 to 25 questions. I'm going to just quickly answer these questions. What's going to be happening in the back end is based on the way that I answer the questions in this particular self-assessment will depend upon what tasks and action items get added to my particular professional development plan. So some of the work that the state that's implementing this has to do is crosswalk the action items that get added to the professional development plan based on the way the individual answers the questions on the self-assessment. Now I'm going to accept the action items. It takes me right over to my professional development plan and automatically populates items in my professional development plan. I can manage the professional development plan from this page. It gives me my task, the category, the goal of this particular task or action item, what type of action item it is. I can mark this complete. I can put a due date on this. I can upload documents if I need to be able to prove how I have successfully completed this particular task. Now I'm going to click over to this particular page. If I wanted to print my self-assessments, this is how they render on the page, and I could go ahead and print these out. Like if I needed to hand them into my director or give them to a quality coach, I can print them out of the system. This report here is a report of the results of my self-assessment and some feedback. So it's giving me some analysis and evaluation based on how I answered that particular assessment. So there's kind of two reports that go along with this particular functionality. There's a professional development plan report. There's a self-assessment definitions and results report. There's integration between the self-assessment and the professional development plan. If you'd like to learn more about either our self-assessment or the professional development plan, please stop by our booth and we'd be happy to answer questions. Thank you. Bye-bye.